I am now on my second seating for my last chef's night for the year. Ay! Naiiyak ako sa tuwa. Oh? My cast members are here. Hello, everyone! The reason they are my cast member, my babies. Sila ang the people behind every chef's night. Ang puso ng Angry Dobo, sila ang pumoprotekta. So we are on our last chef's night for the year and hindi to possible if it weren't for them. And here are my guests for this year. There's Ra. There's Ra. Hi, Ra. And Dr. Aini is there. Dom and Sue is there. Catherine is there. And Lucho's there somewhere. And we have lots of organic guests. Meron pa kaming guests na galing ng Cagayan de Oro only for the chef's night. At yung group niya na galing pa ng London. Pili ko naman hindi dahil sa chef's night. But ito yung plinano nila. So I'm just so touched. Pero syempre, panoorin niyo po ang Espantao sa December 25. Merry Christmas! Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano pang energy ko after nito. Pero masaya-masaya ako. Angry!